Okay, so number 6 was the nose cone mold there. We got that in this bucket of miscellaneous garbage. Everything's got to be cleaned out of there if we're not coming back. So only thing left up there now is the long stem lights that are going in the back seat of the truck, the 4-banger, and that one-piece body. So we'll take a break on the heavy stuff. Maybe we'll bring down the stuff that goes in the back of the truck. Catch our breath. We'll bring the 4-banger down. It's going to fit in here. You know, and we're kind of worried about how things are going. I don't want my doors getting scarred up. So the cushion here, the big cushion, is going to go across the back and protect my doors. We got a strap that's connected to the bottom of the tire pole, and the other end of it is here. So we can just hook it onto the 4-banger and just to keep it forward. I mean, we're not going far. And we'll just take it easy. No big deal. Got to get it back home. It's been start to finish so far. We're probably looking at about almost 4 hours. So we don't have all that much more to go, but I'm going to get her going and bring you the final countdown, right, so to speak. So she's getting packed up. Hang in there, folks. It's almost over.